I was out on the farm and I was like, oh my gosh, there's a baby goat. And I really couldn't believe it. I was like, this is not one of my pre-existing goats. Wow. And so I'm like, who just gave birth? Searching around the farm everywhere. And I'm like, Cardi B, you gave birth. And it's one of the goats. Yeah, so it's one of my goats gave birth. And then I thought, oh gosh, who's the perpetrator? So Eminem just keeps getting everyone pregnant.
So Eminem is the father of Cardi B's?
He has 3 baby mamas.
Oh my God.
So he had to go to the vet and get the snip because he had too many babies on the farm.
He has to get it straight. Yeah.